Desktop 3D printing has been a game changer for designers and inventors, but the tech's not perfect. One of the biggest problems is the fact that most of them only print in one solid color like these. But let's see what Mitch from Mosaic Manufacturing has to say about that. What's up, Mitch? So talk to me, what's going on here?
Yeah, so exactly. Printers are amazing at what they do. They print color objects that are one color. Printers just like this one. But with the palette, which is our baby, it upgrades printers to print parts that are made of multiple colors or multiple materials. Something like this, where this is a layout of a living room, which is one color, and this is awesome and useful. But when you see it made of different colors, it's just it's the next level.
Yeah, it's night and day for rapid prototyping.
Exactly. Yeah.
So now this technology isn't brand new, right? Multicolor printing?
No. So there's been some tech out there for a while. So what they typically do is they use a couple nozzles and they print parts that are in color. There's a few problems with it. You'll see dripping, and the quality isn't quite there. So a lot of people, they just don't end up using it. So we developed it from ground up. We created a new tech that uses a single nozzle, and by doing so, you can see it's just a...
It's night and day. Like, it's totally night and day, and even the texture, I mean, I can feel how that doesn't join perfectly. That is so smooth going down the side of that. That's amazing. So now how's that happening? Is the material, I see it back here, but how's it work?
Yeah, so the printers, they pull in a plastic filament. So what we do is the palette takes in 4 of these different filaments. They can be different colors or different materials. And what it does is it actually processes the materials and attaches them together, just like this, to create a single strand that gets fed right into the printer and used just like it normally would. That's how it can work with almost every 3D printer that's already on the market.
What type of material can you use with it?
So right here we're using PLA. It's a biodegradable material, which is awesome. But that's just the beginning. I mean, here's one of our favorite examples. So this gear was printed, if you put it up to the light, you'll see, there's actually a carbon fiber reinforced structure built into the gear.
What?
Yeah, so 2 different materials there, giving you a part with crazy properties.
That's carbon fiber?
Carbon fiber reinforced plastic, yes.
So we have like basically an indestructible 3D print over here.
Essentially.
That's so cool.
And then one of our other favorites, using an electrically conductive material, we're now printing things that are much more than just plastic parts. This is a working flashlight that came off the printer. A battery was pushed in, an LED was pushed in, but the circuit is built right into the part.
Here, that's totally lighting up.
Yeah, just allowing you to do so much more on the printer you already have. That's the idea here.
It sounds like you're tackling pretty much every kind of fault that's with current desktop 3D printing tech, but you're kind of tackling it all at once.
We're really excited to see what people start doing with it. I think the idea was there's so many printers on the market that are amazing. We didn't need another one. So we focused on developing the tech that actually makes the printers tick, and that's what's going on inside the palette, allowing for just a night and day part to come off the printer.
Well, now when can the rest of the MacGyver types in the world get their hands on one of these?
So we're on Kickstarter right now. In fact, on the printer, we are printing a QR code. So again, a 3-color part of a printer that could before just print 1 color. This QR code goes to the actual Kickstarter campaign. We launched a week ago. We're so excited to have already almost tripled our goal, meaning the palette is happening and we're going to be shipping by the end of this year.
That is amazing, right on. And right in our own backyard, that's Canadian technology being developed for 3D printers around the world, right?
Yes, exactly.
Amazing, yeah. I love it. So I just want to start playing more with these toys.
Yeah.